the nut out of there, you need like one of these four-wheel drive sockets. You get them at Napa or Advance, wherever. These ones here have a sort of spring loaded. You got to push in on them and then you can turn. I don't know if you can hear it clicking, but once you get it so far and the spring doesn't count anymore, you can just get in here and turn it off. And some of these have lock nuts and locks and other different apparatuses, but these ones are pretty easy because it's just spring loaded and it locks itself in there. That bearing should stay in there. And it doesn't. I'll have to clean that up. Now, I don't know why the seal's stuck there. One of those. Well, that's why I didn't order any seals yet, because I didn't know exactly what was in there. So now we have to get the seal out, go to the parts store, and get a seal. So that's okay though. I don't mind spending a little bit more money for a seal. I don't remember seeing any seals like this before. There we go. Now I'll take that seal and go get me a new one. All right, I'm going to install the seal while the paint's drying. This seal, don't mess it up. It was 46 bucks or something like that. But these seals, I don't know if you can see that, but the inside turns on the outer edge here. I'm going to install that. I was going to put some oil down in here, but it's already pre-greased. Yay, Napper. Here's the number if you need it, but I suggest you try to find one a little bit cheaper. But then you always get what you pay for. I like Napa stuff. Okay, that's that. Now before I install it, I'll put a little bit of grease in here and grease on the hub, and then it should slide on. These are a little more funky to get on. I'll get a rubber mallet and pop it on, because this here has to, it's a tight fit there.